In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typography text effect in Canva. To get started, open up your design in Canva or create a new one in the size you need. Once your canvas is ready, look over to the left side of the screen where you see the main toolbar. Find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of extra tools and integrations that go beyond the basic text and elements. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word Typecraft. This is the specific app we're going to use to generate the typography effect. Give it a moment to load the results and then look for the Typecraft app icon in the list that appears. Next, click on the Typecraft app to open it. It will usually slide open as a side panel or a pop-up inside Canva. This tool is designed to help you create stylized, warped, or curved text effects that you can then place into your design. Inside Typecraft, you'll see a field where you can enter your text. Click in that text box and type the exact wording you want to turn into a typography effect. This might be a title, a short phrase, or a single word. Keep in mind that shorter text tends to look cleaner and more impactful with these kinds of effects. Once your text is in, look for the section where you can choose an effect style and select a warp effect. The warp option will bend or curve your text, giving it that dynamic typography look. Take a moment to preview a few warp variations if they're available, and pick the one that best matches your design style. After selecting the warp, move on to choosing a font. Changing the font can completely transform the mood of your text. Try a bold, clean font for a modern look, or something more decorative for a playful feel. Make sure it stays readable even with the warp applied. Now, adjust the text color. Click on the text color option and set it to white. This works especially well if you're placing the text over a darker background or a colorful photo, because it will stand out clearly. When you're happy with the effect, click on Add to Design. Canva will place the finished Typecraft text right onto your canvas as a new element. From here, simply follow any on-screen prompts, then resize, rotate, or reposition the text until it sits perfectly in your layout. And that's how you create a typography text effect in Canva using Typecraft.